Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and today we're demonstrating a conversion job done on a unit out of a 69 Mercury Cougar. This comes from Alex in Petoskey, Michigan, looks like, and it has a modern conversion with FM and Bluetooth, greatly increased output power, 4 separate speaker amplifiers, and this customer has also requested my cool master input-output box. This is your aux inputs here, and then these are your 4-channel line outs and your subwoofer line output. So we're going to test everything out and make sure everything works before we send her back. So let's turn it on. I have it set to FM at the moment. And we'll just run her down the dial.
From the CDC's, One More American has expired.
To help Syrian refugees. With Run to the Blue, me more curious.
Well, that is encouraging.
Really. See what you can.
Ghettos, Geo.
About 15 so far.
The lowest prices.
This day's left until
businesses. And
for any decision on.
It's only well over 30 FM stations, so let's now, I've got all these presets set to stations. Let's make sure that they work.
Pair of jeans wouldn't stop. Spell on the 400 units.
The Somali government.
Okay, next we're going to test the AM, and on this type of radio, we just, to switch bands, we turn it off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go, off, on, and now we're on AM. So we'll bring in, I get 3 AM stations in this area.
That's according to Democrats.
1,
that was about Trump.
2.
I believe it's that time
And 3.
but biannually, that means twice.
And that's my brother talking right now.
We have the Senior and Caregivers Conference and Expo.
That's a KQ&A, AM 1130. That's my brother who talks on that show. Okay, let's go back to FM so we can test a couple other cool little things here. Okay, test our balance control, bring our level meter so we can see the results of the adjustments. Okay, our balance control, all the way left, all the way right, left, right. Okay, center. And this unit also now has a front rear fader. It's in your tone control. To activate that, we give our tone control 2 turns to the right. So the first thing I want to do is rotate it to about the center, so I've got room to turn it to the right. And here we go.
fader adjust.
Fader adjust. So now this same control is adjusting your left-right speaker balance, or I'm sorry, your front-rear speaker balance. And you can adjust it as long as you want. After you stop adjusting it and take your hand off the control, it'll wait about 2 seconds, and then
Fader set.
fader set. And now you can return your tone control to how you like it to sound, which for most people is going to be all the way up. I like my tone controls all the way up. Okay, next thing to test is the aux input. Let's test that real quick. Just going to feed a quick tone. Make sure the radio switches over. Sorry, we don't need this. Don't need the meters anymore. Okay. One side, other side. Okay, and now the radio is going to wait 20 seconds before coming back on, and that's just because it's still holding onto that aux signal, waiting for another song to come up. And after 20 seconds, then it will switch back over. But this Vox circuit prevents the radio from constantly switching back and forth between radio and aux when your iPod's between songs. So there's our radio back. Let's make sure the Bluetooth will go into pairing mode. We give our volume control 2 turns to the right to do that.
Bluetooth Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, Bluetooth ready to pair. So the unit is now trying to pair with a portable audio device, and as you guys know, I don't take all that time on the videos. If it'll go into pairing mode, we know the Bluetooth is working, and there is a built-in microphone for the Bluetooth. Okay, last thing to check is the 8-track. My specialty. Got some Neil Sedaka. Now, a lot of Neil Sedaka sounds like I was running too fast because Neil Sedaka has a very feminine sounding voice. That's the end of that song, so we're going to be coming up on either an automatic track change or the next song on that same track. We'll just wait and see what it's going to do. I'm still not too familiar with this tape, so. Okay, next song, same track. Okay, let's, I guess I'll never stop bragging about the fact that I saw Herb Alpert in concert about a week ago. In fact, it revitalized my interest in music. I got pretty sick of playing rock music for God knows how long, so I just haven't been much interested. Seeing Herb play, brass music really motivated me to get back into the older styles of music. So I've got a Wurlitzer piano coming tomorrow for that. We just heard the lady saying pairing not completed on the Bluetooth. Now let's pop in some Herb and give him a quick listen. Nice bright sounding 8-track thanks to my own special hand-built preamp that I replaced the original with. Good old limbo rock. Okay, pull the tape out. There's our radio bag, and she's ready to go. So she's ready to go back to the customer. I'm ready to probably take the rest of the day off. I'm getting all spruced up, so I look nice for my piano that's arriving tomorrow. So I'm going to get on out of here. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you've just seen what I can do with a classic car AM radio that either has or doesn't have an 8-track. It doesn't always have to be the big old complicated thing, guys. You can send me just regular radios, too, for conversion. My website is in the description below, and my phone number for paying, repair, or conversion customers only, not for do-it-yourselfers looking for parts or belts. My phone number is 928-533-9666. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and we'll see you guys next time.